So we are live now, just checking my voice is coming well or not. So just give me a little bit time. So we are live now, just checking my voice is coming well or not. So
Yes,
just give me a
voice is
little
coming
bit
well.
time. So
Now,
we are live now, just checking my voice. Let's jump into our discussion point. So in yesterday's stream, we discussed about SaaS. The SaaS, that is software as a service. Okay, now we are going to know more about SaaS. What is the goal of SaaS landing page? Okay, the SaaS landing page main goal is to clearly see the users or audience that what actually we are going to do, like about our product, actually the clear CTA or nothing else. It must not be a text heavy, it must not be a heavy design fill. It is simple and directly understandable to the users. SaaS landing page should not confuse users. Okay, this is the important point. It must clearly explain what the product is and what actions the user should take, like clear CTA, like create profile, start login, or like generate image. A good landing page always focused on one main goal, like sign up, free trial, or demo booking, like this. Okay, next move to our second page, key section of a SaaS landing page. Most SaaS landing page follow this structure. Hero section gives the first impression. Okay, the first impression is always the last impression in the majority of cases. If the first impression is like heavy, bulky, then people think it is like too heavy product, and like the clearly application is not feasible. The feature section explain how product helps user. Social proof builds trust, like the testimonials or like the presence in different. And call to action, it's so where the user have to click to for the next step, because all the details should not be present in the landing page. There must be some hidden gems for the learn, like the our customer. There is difference between user and customer who pay for it, user who only uses them. So let's move to our third page, good or bad landing page. Okay, this is subjective bias. This is subjective. Very some design that you like, maybe I don't like, or some design I like, but you don't. So in this, I have one. Uh, I found one good article on this, and you must read for the SaaS. It is very good. I also attach this in my description of this stream, so where you can find this. Okay, a good landing page is easy to easy to read and easy to use. Design must be minimal, simple, and clear. And negative space must, because you clearly see the lots of negative space in this land. And I don't make this the fancy, because this is a normal good slides, so we don't have to put so much effort. Clear headline, simple layout, and one strong CTA, that's enough for a hero section of any landing page. A bad landing page has too much text, too many buttons, or no clear direction for users. This is very important. No clear direction. What is the next step? Like this. So let's see some designs. Okay, I have two designs. One is dark theme. I generally avoid the dark theme because it's my personal choice. Many people all only like the dark theme, but it's just for my personal experience or personal theme. And okay, this all design are downloaded from Pinterest. it, oh, loaded from Pinterest. Okay, so you don't confuse like I have prepared. No, I don't prepare this. I only downloaded this and just making the headline of this. Okay, this is clearly visible downloaded from Pinterest. Okay, now move, moving forward. So one is dark theme. So if you like to so understand last I clearly what are the main important points in this. Just I think I have to create not to create. I just have to use a brush. Okay, the index. Okay, we don't have to work again and again in the user experience. Okay, there are some fixed standards in the market. Logo should be here. Okay, and some CTA button should be here, either centrally aligned or the right aligned. Some navigation bar like quick navigations, and in either centrally aligned text or the left aligned text should be there. So you have to choose these are the fixed templates. Either you can use the navigation bar top or like the left bar, but generally in the dashboard design we use the side navigation and top navigation is used in the landing page. So ideally you have to use this is also one of the example of centrally aligned. You can clearly see all things stuffs like this. I like the light design more. This is my personal choice. There is no okay. I another have example of this. It is not a SaaS product. It is generally a normal agency based design. It is also downloaded from Pinterest. So again, I am just making to add this tag here. I don't know why, but my system is lagging. I think I have to quit unnecessary stuffs. Okay, now maybe work fine. This is another design. So my system is still started like some glitch, but I think I have to continue the today's rest of the thing for tomorrow. But before closing the stream, I only don't follow. I am not interested only in the theoretical part. Uh, I love to give you the practical solutions. So let's continue the practical one. So let's just for you for the future. I'm just giving you some tips. Just create some desktop first. I am taking the example of 120 1280 screen like this, and now how we can start working on this. So first is the gradient one. Okay, so how can we make this type of gradient? So clearly I just fill the background with this color like this and make this the radial like this simply. Okay, now going to add another color. I don't know why my system is working very slow. I think I have to continue the theory part because system is working very slow, very slow, and I don't want you to get upset in this stream because I only believe in the work, not in saying the words, completing the words. So quick practical this part we have to avoid. I think I can do the next time more better. Um, the background part so that you can don't get confused what I have to do or not. So before closing, I have just give you some glimpse of this section so that you don't get disappointed from this stream. So the first point is very simple: bad UX design, new feature, new tab. Okay, imagine this scene: you are browsing through your project management software like you do every workday, and suddenly you come across a new time tracking feature. Okay, curious, you click on it, see how it works, and new tab opens. Okay, clearly from the user's perspective, this is annoying since you are taken away from what you are were doing before. From SaaS company perspective, this is a disaster, especially if you are using onboarding software such as a user pilot. Okay, um, don't have to again and again use the different text, not different tabs. In like if you don't user have to uh, jump in new pages again and again. Bad UX design hashtag 2. This is long drop down to clearly say, okay, in SaaS, it is bad design, but in software like Adobe Illustrator, it is very common, but they have limitations. Both are different. They are software and you are preparing a SaaS. Both are different. So, always avoid long drop downs. Okay. Massive checklist like this. If the checklist look like this, I already uh, just cut the work and put this to do later because uh, I literally uh, I literally ignore this type of work generally when I am feeling form. I ignore this type of work. No X on a modal. Tool tips that obscure the UI. Okay, like this is for the uh, you sometimes get some quick help like this is for this is, but it completely hide the UI. So sometimes you just click on the cut. So this type of annoying. um, so you have to make some design that also don't hide the UI and also makes you comfortable in helping you like this. So this is the basic glimpse of what the content. This is all have 13 points and you must read. I definitely recommend you must read all the stuff. They also user pilot blogs are very good for some little bits. It gives you different ideas how design things works and many ideas like this. And also currently one just suggestion from my side, I'm currently reading a book how to finish everything you start. So if you want to if you have a daily habit of reading books or also want to improve yourself, I definitely recommend this. It is very helpful for me in my daily life, in my work management, in time management and many stuff. So that's all for today's video. Let's end this call and hope we will connect tomorrow. Bye. I will come tomorrow with better preparation.